The switch has two parts, a top part and a bottom part. The top part will come off. However, the bottom half stays in the center hole console until later in these steps. Take a pry tool and remove the plastic insert from underneath the brake. That'll give you some access to the switch. Take a small pry tool or tiny screwdriver and pull the top of the switch until the top half comes off. The bottom half will still be in the center housing. For the next step, get a tiny screwdriver or pry tool. Insert your screwdriver or pry tool on the outside wall of the switch, blue arrows, and on the inside wall of the housing that's on the center console, white arrows. Jiggle the screwdriver or the pry tool back and forth, and eventually the bottom half will drop off and you'll be able to see it through the piece, the insert that you took off at the beginning. Disconnect the switch, which is part 2, an illustration from the connector number 1, by pushing on the little clip, which is the letter A, and pull it off, and then the switch will come off completely. Insert the new connected switch from underneath and back into the hole until you hear it click. On a left-hand drive car, the drawing on the switch faces upwards towards the sky. If you're having trouble lining up the switch from underneath, which was my case, I used a thread with a hangman's loop that I inserted inside the center hole housing and attached the loop onto the top half of the top switch so that I could line the switch up so that I could press in place from below. And then it worked.